medical device commercialisation training program teaches our inventors, innovators and also investors how to engage with the health system as customers, as consumers and also in the co-design of the medical device. I'm really proud of the Office of Health and Medical Research team led by Anne O'Neill in the way that they've continually given advice to the trainees during the program and post-program.
We knew that there was a wealth of talent in the New South Wales ecosystem. We just had to find it, develop it and let them go. And that's what this program does. The outcomes of the program have been extraordinary. It was immediately successful out of the gate in 2014. And since that time, we've had over 80 graduates. They have set up 16 companies and raised over 50 million in capital.
So the program is actually very intensive, immersive and allows the students to apply their learnings in real time, and that allows them to learn really exponentially.
Entrepreneurship is a knowledge base and a skill that is rarely developed in clinical and academic education. So the MDCTP fills that gap and enables clinicians and academics to understand entrepreneurial pathways and achieve real-world impact with their technologies.
The most challenging aspect of the program for me was being flexible and adapting my way of thinking and my way of looking at problems.
MDCTP was a really great experience for me. It allowed me, coming out of university, to work with a whole range of individuals in the medtech industry.
I was really interested to understand all the processes that happen in the peripheral, the regulatory approval process, the clinical trials. It really taught me to think more like a businesswoman.
It forces you to go out there and talk to clinicians and people that would be the end user of what you're doing. The level of the course is quite outstanding. You know, there's no better place to learn how to commercialise your work.
When we're looking for participants for the MDCTP, we're looking for passion, a novel technology, a tolerance for risk, and an intent to commercialise. And what we've developed within New South Wales is a capability, but also a community of like-minded individuals who are intent on changing healthcare.
The community that we built is just amazing. Being able to bounce ideas on people that are going through the same journey that I'm going through, these are friends that I'm going to keep for the rest of my life.
This course allowed me to be able to translate what I was doing from lab bench to bedside. And for me, that's quite a powerful thing to be able to do.
If you are really passionate about what you're working on, if you really want to help people, commercialization is such an important part of that.
It takes 10 years to get from the research lab out to practice, and sometimes even longer. And this actually gives us some skills and some networks to actually start to think about how we can accelerate that process, which is critical.
To my graduates, I want to say that I'm really proud of them, and it's been my pleasure to watch them grow and learn during this journey.
I personally am incredibly proud of this cohort. They're our first virtual cohort under the current circumstances. We were doubtful whether or not this would happen this year, yet they've graduated, they've done us incredibly proud, and we know that they're going to go from strength to strength. Congratulations.